What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I have just bought more BORK, guys. BORK is something I want to talk to you guys about right now. Let's talk real quick. I'm just making a quick update video right here. BORK was just at 9.7 million market cap. I think we're back to 9.9 right now. I was buying on this dip right here at 96. I think BORK is getting to a really good range. Remember when I was telling you guys to take profits when we were up here at about 18? I'm thinking that this thing was supposed to come back down to 15 to fill a wedge, but instead I was wrong. It kind of just fell all the way through, which is typically what meme coins do. It went up so hard so fast. It really needed to do this. Typically things come down about halfway. It went to about 22 million. It came back down to about 10 million. So to me, this is about halfway. This is a significant area where there was a lot going on. The next one down from there would be the 7 million range. So these are your dollar cost averaging ranges between 7 and 10 million. Who knows if you're going to get it below 10 million. I'm just going to get this video out to you guys really quick. But I'm dollar cost averaging back into BORK with my ME profits. Now remember, just days ago, I told you guys to take your BORK profits out on the 9th and put it into ME. When was the 9th? Here was the 9th. Here was the 9th, guys. And then you guys could have rode this gigantic pump over here on ME. This is what you guys would have did if you were following my channel. You guys would be up 200%. You'd be up a 3x right now on ME. Now I'm telling you guys, it's time to take some of those ME profits and buy some BORK with it. That is not financial advice, but that is what I'm doing. I just took like $2,000 more of ME and I just converted it for BORK. I also took a couple of my other Solana tokens and some of my loose Solana and I bought some BORK. I now have almost $5,000 worth of BORK again. I'm starting to load the boat back up. If it goes lower, I'm hoping that it goes lower. Maybe this thing will go to 9, 8, or 7 million. If I can get this at 7 million, it's a steal. But I don't know if the whales will let us get there. They might not let us get there. These whales are still in here. Beanbag Soul is still in here. This guy is a massive whale. I don't know what that wallet is right there. Grayscale is still in here, but these wallets are thinning below it. You see the percentages below this are starting to thin out a little bit right here. And a lot of people have sold. Like a lot of people sold out of this. It's basically a rinse and repeat cycle that's happening right here. This happens to every token. This is required to happen if the token wants good health and to succeed. It just can't go straight up. Everybody who bought in at 4 million market cap like me, they sold out here. They were selling a ton here. Other than the massive whales that I just showed you that are going to hold until this thing does like a 50x or 100x, other than that, this is what's happening here. And I saw those whales. Beanbag Soul, he's why I got into ME. I saw Beanbag Soul was buying ME with his money from BORK, right? Now what is he doing? Who knows? Maybe he's buying more BORK, but I know a lot of people are going to be looking at this soon. So you want to be first to the party. Do your research. See if you still like BORK. Last video I showed you all their updates. 11,000 BORK holders, 5,000 Soul staked, 14,000 Twitter followers, and 9,500 in the Telegram. This thing is growing huge. The memes are going nuts on Twitter. They're very, very, very active in here. Tons of stuff is happening over here. You guys can check it all out for yourselves. See if BORK is still something you want to hold. But I don't know about you guys. To me, BORK is cheap at 10 million compared to 20 million. I did not want to buy up here. You know what I mean? Like, that's where we sell. We sell up there. We start thinking about buying down here. If you think BORK still has a future, now is your time to look at BORK, guys, because BORK is getting cheap. Anything under 10 million to me, I think, is a good deal. It's now above 10 million because I'm talking too long. So I'm going to hurry up and get this video out to you guys. Quick update, Tesla did not reach our buy zone. We're still looking at this buy zone. We're at 169. We're looking at this buy zone between here. You could even say that, you know, the buy zone can go as low as 162. But I'm really sticking to this zone right here, and I'll probably jump out if it gets below that right there. I want to stick to this, buy in here, and have this thing bounce off of this zone, okay, guys? Emmy, I still think Emmy can do another leg up, probably break this 2.5 million market cap region. That is where I'm going to take even more profits. I'm still holding 69 million tokens with you guys, so I'm still holding over 10 grand worth of Emmy with you guys. Now I have over $5,000 worth of BORK with you guys. So I'm here, I'm riding the train. We're going to do this together. Love you guys lots. Smash that like button if you got some value. I'm going to get this video out so you guys have a chance to look at this and let you guys know that I'm still very bullish on BORK and I'm picking some up today. I love you guys lots. Please do all your own research with everything I say. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.